Alright, welcome back to the third video. So this video will be on worksheet number 4, involving concentration of solutions and calculations of concentration of solutions. Alright, okay, so let's update the content page. This is our number 4. So alright, as assignment I concentration of solutions. Okay, this one just tentatively put it as 12th of Jan right. Okay, so this will be the third worksheet. Okay, and also the last one before we actually move on to second part of more concept. All right. Okay, so now going back to the worksheet, right? Okay, wait, just let me duplicate a copy of this first. Right, okay. Okay, right. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so same thing, write your name. Okay, class Alex, doing this on 12 Jan. Okay, depending on your progress, I mean, the day you do it, you write down that date. Alright. Okay, so this is a worksheet generally on solutions and concentration, something new from N level. You didn't do this in N level. Okay, let's have a look at the questions. Okay, so for this one, okay, we are looking at concentration, volume, as well as mole. Volume will be in dm cube. Concentration usually in mole per dm cube. Alright, okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, so the first one is the concentration of this sulfuric acid. Okay, so what you do is take the mole divided by the volume. Okay, mole is 2, volume is 1.1. Okay, so this is quite straightforward. So this is 1.82. 1.82. Right, okay. So let's take a look at the next question. Part B. Okay, so same thing, concentration of KCl. So what you do, once again, mole over volume. Mole is 2.2. Okay, so now they have given the volume in centimeter cube, but earlier on I told you need to be in dm cube. So what you do is convert the centimeter cube to dm cube. Okay, so what you can do is divide by 1,000. Okay, this conversion is very common because a lot of volumes of in chemistry are measured in centimeter cube. Okay, dm cube is very big. It's 1 liter. Usually we don't do reactions that involve 1 liter Okay, unless you tell me you're a drug dealer Okay. Okay, so 11 mole per dm cube. Alright. Okay, moving on. Okay, so don't forget about your units. Yes, always remember to write your units. Yeah. Okay. Let me have a look. Part C. So concentration of my NaF. So same thing. I will actually do a mole divided by the volume. Okay, so do a 3 divided by 150 over 1,000. Some people would have converted the volume before that It's also fine. I mean, it's your personal preference. For me, I usually all lump it in one steps. So it's 20 mole per dm cube. Okay, sorry, should put in 3SF. Let me change it. Okay, done. Right, any next thing? Okay, so calculate the concentration in gram per dm cube of the following solutions. Okay, so it's already given in gram lah, so actually it's quite straightforward already. Okay, so let's look at the first one. Okay, so this one if they give you in gram, you will be talking about mass, concentration, volume in dm cube. Yeah. So what you do for this kind is for the concentration of NaCl, what you do is take the mass over the volume. So 20 over 200 divided by 1000. Okay, wow, it's a very big number. 100 gram per dm cube. Okay, then let's look at part B. Part B, I need to find the concentration of my KOH. So what I do is take mass over volume. Mass is 15.5. Volume is 240 over 1000. Okay, so I will have to do my conversion. Okay, so this is 64.6 gram per dm cube. C, okay, next one. Concentration of my NaF. Mass over volume. So mass is 36, volume is 150, but remember to divide by 1000 to convert it to dm cube. Okay, so yeah, centimeter cube to dm cube conversion lah. Once again, divided by 1000, right? Okay, 240 gram per dm cube. Alright, let's see, okay, then I'll go on lah. Okay, okay, I'm going on to question number 3. Okay, question number 3A. Okay, so find the concentration in gram per dm cube. Okay, they give you in mole per dm. Okay, so wait. Okay, so concentration in mole per dm cube, you want to change to concentration in gram per dm cube. Okay, so what you can do pretty much is like a mole to mass conversion. So what you do is multiply by mr, the other way around, divided by mr. Okay, so I exactly the same divided by mr, so I multiply by mr. Okay, then mole to concentration is divided by volume, the other way multiply by volume. Here same thing. Yeah, alright. Okay, concentration of your calcium chloride. I hope you remember what is the formula for calcium chloride. It's Ca2 plus Cl minus. Okay, go check your periodic table. One is from group 2, one is from group 7. Okay, so this one take 0.05 multiply by 40 plus 2 times 35.5. So 5.55 gram per dm cube. Okay, then for 3B, same thing. Okay, sodium carbonate is Na plus from group 1, and then carbonate So I mentioned you need to know the polyatomic ions lah. Actually, you've done it. Don't know whether you have forgotten it. Yeah, okay. So this one you do a crisscross is Na2CO3. Yeah. Alright, so with that I can find the concentration of my sodium carbonate. So I can convert 1.5 multiplied by the MR2 times 23 plus 12 plus 3 times 16. Okay, so for A. Okay, so first one is lithium sulfate. Okay, find the concentration in mole per dm cube of the following solutions. Okay, this one is your lithium sulfate. So lithium sulfate is Li plus SO4 2 minus. Okay, so this one you do a crisscross become Li2SO4. Okay, so good to go already. Okay, so this one now what you want to do is gram per dm cube to mole per dm cube. So just like the previous question, okay, so now is the other way. Okay, this way. Yeah, this way. Right. Okay, so what you can do is this. Okay, you divide it by mr. The other way around, you multiply by mr. Okay, so the concentration of Li2SO4. Okay, you divide this one, so you take 50 divided by the mr. 2 times 7 plus 32 plus 4 times 16. Yeah, just let me check it out. Okay, correct. Yeah. Okay, so 50 divided by okay, so 0.454 54. Okay, you round it off, you get 0. Sorry. Okay, you get 0.455 mole per dm cube. Then the concentration of your silver nitrate. (25.5) divided by silver Ag 108. Silver is 108. Okay, silver nitrate is silver is always group it's always +1 lah, although it's not in group 1. Yeah, it's one of those unique ones. Then nitrate, polyatomic ion, you need to know. So 14 plus 3 times 16. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so 0.150 mole per dm cube. Right. So everything is to 3SF lah. Then don't forget the unit of mole per dm cube in this case. Okay, now question number 5. Okay, a container contains copper 2 sulfate solution with this concentration. Calculate the volume of the solution that contain this. Okay, so your concentration is given in gram per dm cube. So what you can do is this. Okay, concentration in gram per dm cube. Okay, there's two ways to do this. One is you can convert to the concentration in mole per dm cube. just like what I mentioned earlier on, yeah, over here, okay, by dividing by the MR. Then the next thing that you do is this, you take the mole divided by the concentration. So now you want to, from here, okay, go to the volume. Okay, how do you do it? Okay, it's by this triangle. Okay, you take the mole, concentration, volume. Okay, you got mole, then you got concentration. Yeah, you can find this. Okay, the other way you can do it is this. Okay, you are given the number of mole of your copper 2 sulfate. Okay, 0.48. Okay, then you change it to the mass first by multiplying by MR. This one you should know lah. Very well, and level you learn. Okay, then to find the volume, you take mass divided by concentration in gram per dm cube. Yeah, so this one is this way. Yeah, right. Okay, so okay, I will do the second way lah. You can try the first way also. Should get the same solution. Okay, so let's go from this. The mass of your copper 2 sulfate. I take a mole multiply by the MR. So a mole is 0.48 multiplied by the MR, 64 plus 32 plus 64. Oh, 76.8 grams. Okay, and the next thing is this. Once you hit mass, okay, you can get the volume of CuSO4 by taking the mass over the concentration. Mass 76.8, concentration 20. 3.84 dm cube. Right? If you are keen, you can try the second method lah. Okay, I'll just work it out quickly over here. Should get the same answer. After that, the volume of this, you will take then after that you will use this formula, take mole divided by concentration. Okay, exactly the same answer with units. Right. Okay, I think the last two questions. Okay, we are down to the last two questions. Okay, next one. Okay, let's look at this. The number of mole of calcium chloride. Okay, you are given volume. Okay, but volume, always remember, must convert to dm cube first. Okay, centimeter cube to dm cube, divide by 1000. Yeah. Okay, then the formula you are using, concentration, volume, mole. Zero 0.25 multiplied by volume, 21.2 over 1000. Okay, I'm doing a conversion in this step as well. Okay, so together lah. Okay, so this is 0.0053. Okay, moles. Okay, next one, part B. Now I can find the mass of my calcium chloride. Okay, calcium chloride. Calcium is from group 2. Chloride is from group 7. So mole times mr lah. Okay. So use this formula. Mole is 0.0053. mr is 40 plus 2 times 35.5. Is 0.5. Wait, just a second. How come is this way? Okay, 0.588 grams. Wait, just let me double check the answers. Right, I think it should be correct. Okay, right, alright, then we are down to our last one. Okay, so we need to find the number of mole of my magnesium nitrate. Okay, magnesium is Mg2 plus, nitrate is NO3 minus. Okay, so you do concentration multiply by volume. So same formula, this way. Concentration 2.1, volume 100 divided by 1000. Okay, so same thing, convert centimeter cube to dm cube by dividing by 1000. Zero 0.21 mole. Yeah. Okay. Next thing, you are supposed to get the mass of the magnesium nitrate. So this one you will be using this formula. Yeah, which you have done in N levels. Okay, so this is mole multiplied by mr. The mole 0.21. mr, okay, let me calculate. 24 plus 2 times 14 plus 6 times 16. Okay, 148 times 0.21. 31.1 grams. Right. Okay, then I'm done with this worksheet. I think, yeah, that's it for this video over here. Thank you, everyone.